Introducing the leafy sea dragon, a true masterpiece of nature, found along the southern coast of Australia. With its intricate, leaf-like appendages, this incredible creature can blend so perfectly with its kelp and seaweed surroundings that it's almost invisible to predators. Closely related to the seahorse, the leafy sea dragon is slow-moving and graceful, relying on its camouflage for protection rather than speed or aggression. These creatures are so rare and unique, they're even protected by law in Australia. Isn't it amazing how nature can create such wonders? If you're in awe of this extraordinary marine marvel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating animal discoveries.